Alright, so we're into the back of her. Looks like input and probably power over here. Looks like I'm going to have to tear out all this sort of stuff if I want to try and figure out if there's anything wrong. Alright, let's see. That's the speakers. A bunch of scary looking high voltage stuff. And inputs here. I'll get in here and have a look-see. So I took this guy off. This looks like, I don't know, something to drive the, that drives the panel. But it goes down through here into this bit. And that looks like it's going to be a bit of a pain to get into. Yeah, we'll see how she goes. So, got the old, the sides off her here. And, I mean, I don't know a lot about this sort of thing, but, hazarding a guess, that there bendy board can't be necessarily a great thing. Not really fixed in there great. Looks to be not magnets, something around here, but also just these tiny little clips. Not sure how we'll go getting those back on. They're just ribbons. As you can see, yeah, there we are. Yeah, who knows if this will ever go back together. And here we are. It's actually in two parts, which is not really what I would have expected. I wonder if they use it, if it's kind of like a modular thing and they use it for smaller ones as well. Not sure. Odd. Very odd indeed. Seems like we found ourselves a little friend who was living in there. Maybe he was what was making it work and that's why it stopped. So after a bit of persuasion, these guys decided they would go into retirement. However, it turns out they were doing fuck all anyway. This is, I think it's glued or something, like, it's not going to come off in one piece. I don't have a heat gun, I don't even know if that would work. But, it's just, I want to get to this, but I don't want to break the front of it. Anyway, we'll see. Ye of you who may have seen this stuff before might not be impressed, but look at that. That's all it is. Look. The camera won't even focus on it. There we go. I mean, there's all the drives and stuff, but that's just the panel. It's tiny. This guy along here, which I'm going to try and get off. This is the bendy one. Yeah, we'll see how she goes. Not sure exactly what these guys are. Oof, see if I can even get it to focus. There's actually a tiny little serial number on them. I don't know if it's a chip or... But yeah, they're tiny. But they're all the way around. All these sides, yeah. No idea. I definitely don't know enough about screens. If anyone does know what they are, please tell me. Definitely would be interested. So we got everything kind of replugged, ghetto style. Don't worry, it's not turned on. But we are going to try turning it on, which I am scared about, because, yeah, that's mains. I kind of just want to see if we can get the panel to light up. Here goes nothing, I guess. Oh, right. You? That doesn't look quite right. Oh yeah, she's making buzzing. That's not a great sound. Not exactly confidence inspiring. Okay, but these aren't working at the moment, so something's not right. So let's pull it. And definitely not fucking touch any of that. Great. I'll have a bit of a look-see at the connections for this front bit. I did find one little problem, but this was a problem before, after it was already broken. I was a bit too enthusiastic with the old screwdriver, trying to get into her, and yeah, knocked that little guy off. I've kind of put it back on, but we'll see. Alright, we've played around with some of the connections and stuff, and we're going to give her another shot. Might be pushing my luck here. I think if this one doesn't do anything, we might leave it at that, because this is terrifying. No video. These LEDs are still fucked. The speakers worked, which means it's turned on the actual TV. Well, no luck this time, but, well, next time I won't be so blasé with the screwdriver. And, not blasé. And, maybe we'll actually have something which we can try and actually fix. This one, I couldn't seem to find any problems that I can fix. Like, there's no easy ones.